Hey guys, it's Mammy. Tell them who you are. Mama.
Mama.
And we're putting the last ingredient. You need to sit over this way a little bit. No, you need to sit over that way a little bit. I'm sorry. Don't touch that. No, you're going to have to get up on your knees for you to be able to see what you're doing. There. Now, can they see you? Okay, there you go. Now y'all can see it. Okay, guys, we've got mozzarella. Mo's fixing to spread it out all over our stuff we're cooking. Kind of stand up on your knees so you can see in there. There you go. There you go. That's smart. Now spread it all over. All over. Don't touch it. It's hot. Just keep your hand up. Her hands were just washed. Go ahead. Spread it all over. Yeah, more. We want to do it all. Everywhere. Don't touch it. Yep, all over there. Don't touch it, though. Tell them you're putting it all over. Yeah, all over it. That piece was not broke up. Okay, there. Tell them you're putting it all over it. Look, tell them you're putting it all over it. Making a mess in the process, but it's okay. Oh, that's looking good. Okay. Okay. All right, guys, now we're going to put our top back on it. I'm running a little bit late. We were supposed to be here when it had 15 minutes. It's only got 5 minutes to cook, but I think it'll melt that cheese. We'll come back when it's ready. All right? Tell them we'll come back when it's ready.
Ready.
Look at them, not you. You want to give them a kiss? I can't see you. There. Want to give them a kiss? Not on there. Just blow them a kiss. You can't reach it. Oh, guys, hang on. She's got to come up here so she can give you a kiss. It's okay. Hurry up. Hurry up. Give them a kiss. All right. So see you later. Oh, you got a hug? Okay. Oh, and a fist bump. All right. We'll be back. We'll be back when it's ready, guys.